boys and girls, it's me, Allegra Alphabet. I'm here to help you practice your letters and sounds. Oh boy, I can't wait. For today's game, you will need to have something to write with and something to write on. A paper and pencil works just fine. So, if you need to, pause this video and come back when you're ready. Okay? All right. If you're ready, let's play. I'm going to say the sound of a letter, and it's your job to write the letter that matches the sound you hear. Ready? Your first sound is ah. Say that sound with me. Ah. Write the letter that says ah. Let's see if you got it. Did you write the letter A? You did. Great job. Let's try another letter. Ready? The next sound is mm. Write the letter that makes the sound mm. Let's see what it is. M. Did you write the letter M? The letter M says mm. Let's do another letter. Here we go. The next letter is S. Like a snake. Write the letter that says S, like a snake. All right, let's see if you got it. Here we go. The letter S says S, like a snake. Did you get it? Yay! All right, 2 more letters to go. The next letter makes the sound T. What letter makes the sound T? Write the letter. Let's see if we got it. T. Did you write the letter T? T makes the sound T, like a turtle. There's 1 more letter left. I wonder what it is. The sound of the letter is B. Write the letter that makes the sound B. Okay, let's see if you got it. B makes the sound B. How many did you get? Did you get them all? If not, that's okay. Let's keep practicing. Now, Mrs. Murphy has a game for you. Mrs. Murphy! I'm ready for you to play your game. Okay, I'll be there just a second. All right, friends, she's coming, and I'll see you later. Bye. All right, boys and girls, how did you do with Allegra? Did you get all the letters right? I hope you did. Here, let me stop sharing the screen so you can see me a little bit better. Oops. There. Oops. There it is again. There we go. That should be better. All right, we're going to play a game that I call Step Up. I call it Step Up because there are 3 levels. Level 1 is the easiest, but I'll make it trickier as we go. So this is a game where I have a stack of your sight words, and we're going to practice reading them and spelling them. For the first time, I will show you the word, and I will read it to you. All you have to do is repeat it after me, okay? So, level 1, you're repeating after me. Our first word is my. Say the word. My. My friends are fun. All right, here's your next word. Ready? The next word is am. Say the word, am. Can you use am in a sentence? I am happy. All right, here's the next word. At. Say the word, at. Can you use at in a sentence? I am at school. Here's the next word, go. Say the word, go. Use it in a sentence. I can go to the store. Here's the next word, buy. Say the word, buy. The tomato is by the bowl. Buy. Last word, to. Say the word, to. Can you use it in a sentence? Jordan went to the store. Good job, friends. That was probably pretty easy, but that's because it was level 1. Now it's time for level 2. For level 2, you're going to need to stand up and have some space to take some steps. For level 2, I will show you a word, and then you will spell it, then name it. When you spell it, you will take steps forward for each letter. Okay? So here's your first word. I'm going to stand sideways so you can see my steps. Okay, you ready? Spell it with me. M-Y, my. Here's your next word. Ready? A-M, am. Here's your next word. A-T, at. Ready to spell. G-O, go. I've got a couple more left. How are you doing? Ready? B-Y, buy. Last word. T-O, two. All right, that level was still kind of easy because you were looking at the word. If you're ready, let's gear up for level 3. For level 3, I'm going to say the word, then I'll say it in a sentence to help you remember it, and then you need to step forward as you spell it, but I'm not going to show you until it's done. You have to try to spell it without looking. You ready? Here's your first word. To. I like to go to school. The word is to. Spell it. Let's see if you got it. T-O, two. Remember to step forward when you spell it too. All right, here's your next word. Your next word is by. The flowers are by the pond. The word is by. Spell it and step forward. You should have said B-Y, by. Here's the next one. Go. Celia and Jose go to school on the bus. The word is go. Spell it. Let's see if you got it. G-O, go. We just have a couple more words left. Here we go. The next word is at. I saw my friend at the park. Spell it and step forward. Let's see if you got it. A-T, at. All right. Here's your next word. The next word is am. I am tall. Spell it and step forward. You should have done this. am. We have one word left. You are doing so good. The last word is my. My hat is on the chair. My. Spell it and step forward. You should have done my. All right, boys and girls, level 3 was pretty tricky, but you stuck with me till the end. Great job, and I will see you next time. Peace.